Masaya ako mga na-surprise ako.
Mother's Day is more than flowers, greetings, and celebrations. It's about the women who quietly carried families through love, sacrifice, hard work, and silent prayers. And this Mother's Day, Chef Chinky wanted to celebrate and thank mothers in a special way. Not through grand events, but through something personal and heartfelt. A wish-granting giveaway created for mothers and for the people who simply wanted to give back to them. From hundreds of touching stories came 5 chosen wishes. 5 mothers. 5 families. 5 beautiful reminders that even the most selfless hearts deserve to receive love too. And this is one of those stories. The first of our 5 wishes has been from one of Chef Chinky's silent supporters since 2022. Tahimik pero totoo. The kind of follower who shares posts not for attention but because she genuinely loves cooking. Her timeline, punong-puno ng shared recipes and videos from Chef Chinky. Her albums, food, cooking, mga lutong may pagmamahal. Because for her, food has never just food. It was care. It was comfort. It was service. It was love. This Mother's Day, she didn't wish for herself. Hindi para sa luho, hindi para sa sarili. Her only wish, na sana madagdagan ang laman ng maliit na sari-sari store ng kanyang mama. Because that small store was her mother's way of continuing to provide for the family. So when Chef Chinky heard their story, she sent her team to fulfill this wish. Nanay Cheryl became a breadwinner at a very young age. Isang tunay na raketera, laging may diskarte, laging may paraan, basta may maipantustos sa pamilya. Through the years, she continued giving everything she could, not only to the family she came from, but to the family she built, to her children, and now even to her grandchildren. She is the kind of mother who always puts herself last. Even while silently feeling pain, she still chooses not to go to the doctor. Kasi para sa mga nanay na tulad niya, laging nauuna ang pamilya bago ang sarili. That is why this simple grocery support means so much. This is not just paninda. It is additional capital for her small sari-sari store, a chance to continue providing for her family, to earn a little more, and hopefully one day, finally take care of her own health too.
Ano ini? Alam mo na di ang silingilang. Wawa na yung wala.
Surprise!
Oo nga. Makabato ko sang amo ni nga mga ano na surprise. Siyang gimali. Thank you kid Ma'am Novi. Thank you good ship.
Jinky!
Mo sa gimbulig mo sa bong sa akin. Nga? Oo, nabaton ko gid.
Thank you, Lord!
Thank you, good Lord. Thank you sa imo, Chip, Chef
Jinky.
Nga nabatang ko ang bulig mo. Kabay nga, damo kapag na buligan. Masaya po ako, Chef Jinky. Nga natupad ko ng pangarap ko para sa akong tindahan na maliit. Masaya ako mga na-surprise ako. Tuhod niya.
Mapupuno na ang tindahan nyo, Nay, dahil sa blessing ni Chef Jinky para mapasaya kayo sa Mother's Day. At isa itong blessing na pwede mo siyang pasalamatan.
Oh, basta kay Chef Jinky, sigurang happy. Good food, good vibes, it's the perfect recipe. From the New York streets to your screen at home, with a giving heart, you're never alone. Yeah, basta kay Chef Jinky, siguradong happy.
Hello Chef Jinky, maraming salamat sa pagtupad ng wish ko para sa nanay ko na mapuno yung maliit na tindahan niya, at sana marami ka pang matulungan na kagaya namin. Maraming salamat, Chef.
This is only the first wish granted. And if this story proves anything, it's that a selfless mother may never ask for anything, but the love she gives away always finds its way back home.